people with no jobs.
Oh, you missed it.
Isn't it?
Oh,
wait,
Wait. He's here, dude.
Oh,
He's here.
Zoom in.
That's as far as I can go.
Dude, stop.
stop. Yeah.
We got a little closer.
Creep up to him, dude. Like a little spider.
Yeah, let's act like we're scared of him at first and then just get out.
Hey, get your phone out.
What is he? What's his plan? All right, get ready.
His plan is to get shot.
Hold on. Are you ready for this?
He's in hillbilly country. He's gonna get shot.
All right, 3, 2, 1,
Go.
Go slow.
You ready?
It's funny.
You think it's funny, dude?
Hearing people at night like this.
Yeah, you think it's funny? Weren't expecting this, were you, buddy? Huh?
Okay.
What you walking back for?
Going anywhere, bud.
That's what I thought.
Oh, got him. Got him.
Wait, get out of the light. You see this? What are you thinking? Oh, you're under the mask. Oh, it's not.
Take a picture.
Yeah, let's take some Instagram pictures, man.
I'm no service.
Take some pictures.
Yeah, just take some pictures.
We just captured a clown.
Oh yeah.
Got him, dude.
Guess what? We actually kidnapped the clown. Wait. Pose for
Here we go.
Dude, thumbnail. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, dude.
Oh,
Dude,
dude,
it's
he just
insane.
knocked out some random dude.
Yes.
I
I hit him really, really, really hard.
Yeah. He learned his lesson not to be a little boy.
Oh wait, he's got a friend. Where the fuck did he come from? You are more serious this time. Is he Joker? Is he?
Got him hacked. Dude, I don't
He actually has a weapon.
See what
See what we did, my friend, bud? Oh! Did we just get someone killed?
Where'd they going?
Guys,
We just killed someone. We just killed someone.
I don't.
Where'd they going?
Guys!
What are you doing?
Back to the car, back to the car.
Oh my god.
You know what?